Hey guys, Gracie here. If you're like me, you're probably itching to get outside. I know my yard and garden at my apartment really needs some fresh updates. And gardening is a great hobby to take on too. Not only does it allow you to provide beauty in and around your garden, but it's really good for the mind and body too. You don't have to be an expert to get started either. If you're like me, this whole journey might be a new one for you. I figured the most important thing was having a really good set of tools. So I did some research and I spoke to my trusty gardening resources to come up with a list of some top essential tools for every beginning gardener. So first up, a pair of gloves. I love this Hestra brand here. I really love the color, and these also are made from a blend of bamboo, which I think is cool. These are a great price point and really important for protecting your hands from scrapes, scratches, and all that dirt that you're going to get into. Next, I have a kneeling pad, which is super important for protecting those knees from rough terrain. And this one matches the purple color I have going on too. Next, I have a set of 3 Bella tools. So I went with this brand because they're really budget friendly, but they're really high quality tools for the price. So I picked out this red and black set. First up, I have a shear, which is really important for pruning and cutting through tough stems. I have a trowel, which is just a smaller shovel, good for digging into the ground or planting in pots. And I have a cultivator, which is good for cultivating soil or for planting and fertilizing. So next I have 2 long-handled tools. First thing is a shovel, really important for planting bigger plants and digging into the ground. And then a rake. So I like this one for the fun green color and also because it's adjustable, both the rake and the handle. So this is really good for raking up and cleaning up yard waste, but also for spreading or smoothing out soil. So now that your plants are in the ground, watering is really important. I went with this expandable hose option. If you can believe it, this one is actually 50 feet long. So it stores really well, it's good quality, and it's super lightweight. And then for a nozzle, I went with this one. I like this handy thumb lever, and there's also 9 settings on here, so you can easily go from gently watering a plant to spraying down your driveway if you needed to. And finally, a watering can. I love this fun purple color. We have several other colors in our stores too. This one is great, super lightweight, and has this handy nozzle storage compartment too, so it makes it really easy to carry. And there you have it, the essential gardening tool list. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching.